squeeze again. It's hard, super hard. Whoa.
Whoa. Cool.
Try, keep it in the tube. And look at all that magma. Alright, let's let that reaction. You can tilt it up if you want to try to get more.
My name, can I try?
Alright, Ellie, you can go next. Here, stop. Alright, come around over here, Ellie. Well, that's a good idea, Ellie. You hold it up like that. Ellie, come here, squeeze.
Okay.
Squeeze it. Keep it in the tube.
Not coming out.
I think it's so much in there. I think it's already lavaed out. Here, let's try some. Alright, let's make sure there's enough room for more lava to come out. Okay, here, Elliot, try now. Somebody, no. Elliot can squeeze. Ollie can hold it up.
Will you help me squeeze, Daddy? Whoa. Can I
I
squeeze
think it
now?
fell off the box, guys.
My turn. I squeeze. Oh.